Good morning, children. How are you? Fine? Okay. Did you all understand yesterday's match the followings and fill up? Did you all complete it? Complete your work the same day, children. Don't keep it in your bag and do, oh, ma'am has given, I will do when I get time. Don't do that. Complete your work on the day which is given. I have given you today, do it today. Yesterday's work, you complete it yesterday. Don't keep any pending work. Clear? So, I hope you understood everything till here. Let's proceed to word fun today. In word fun, see what is given. Page number 46. I think all of you have taken out page 46. Take out page 46. All will take out page 46. Let's continue with the word fun. What is the question given? Just see. Write another letter for the first letter and form two new words. This we have done before also. One word is given. First letter of the word we have to change and write two new words. First one is done for you. What is the first one? It has given lost. This L is changed and one word is made cost. And this C is changed, another word is host. So we have changed the first letter and made two words. Lost, understand the meaning also. Lost, gum jana. Cost, price. Kitne ka hai? What is the cost of this ice cream? Price kitne ka hai? Host is where anybody, if you are hosting any party or anything, that is called host. The one who hosts is called the main person of the party. The next one you have to do long. Think. You have to change the first letter and make two new words. L-O-N-G, long is given. Think what you can make out of long. Long. It start with A-O-N-G, ong, B-O-N-G, bong, C-O-N-G, kong. Is it any word? No. So, song, the thing we sing, that is one word. So, what is the spelling of song? S-O-N-G, song. S-O-N-G. I hope everybody knows the meaning of song. And another word, I will tell you, I think many of you don't know this word, but learn this new word today. Tong. What is tong? आपकी मम्मी घर में रोटी बनाती है, रोटी जब पलटती है, she uses a चिमटा. हिंदी में जो आप बोलते हो चिमटा, चिमटे को tong बोलते हैं. So I hope you know what is tong now. In English, चिमटा जो रोटी पलटने को यूज करते हैं या गरम चीज पलटने को यूज करते हैं, that is called tong. So what is the spelling of tong? T-O-N-G, tong. So we made two new words, song and tong. We have changed the first letter and made S-O-N-G, song, T-O-N-G, tong, L-O-N-G, long. I hope everybody have understood. Now come to page number 47. This is easy. Third one is full, F-U-L-L, full. Tell. Full is पूरा भरा हुआ. What can you do? Think, A, B, C, D, सब लगा के so देखो which word you can make. Yes, pull. What is the meaning of pull? Pull means खींचना. Pull means खींचना. P-U-L-L, pull. Think another word. Bull. Yes, cow, bull. You have learned. Bull is an animal. What is the spelling of bull? B-U-L-L, bull. B-U-L-L, bull. So we have made two new words of pull and bull. Pull and bull. I hope you understood these two new words. F-U-L-L, full मतलब भरा हुआ. P-U-L-L, pull मतलब खींचना. Bull, बैल. In Hindi, cow, गाय और bull is बैल. Okay? So bull is an animal. Next is C. S-E-E-C. Think what you can make. C देखना. See is देखना. What do you pay in the school? Fee. What you pay? Fee. The thing you pay in the school, students pay, is called what? It is a fees. Fee. F-E-E, fee. F-E-E, fee. And one animal. One animal. Yes. Bee. Bee is an animal. B-E-E, bee. B-E-E, bee. Fee, bee. Okay. Understood all of you? Yes. So, S-E-E-C. F-E-E, fee. B-E-E, bee. Now come to next one. Cut. C-U-T, cut. See, cut is katna, kaatna. Cut is kaatna. C-U-T, cut. Say what you can make out of, change the first letter and say cut but. But matlab क्यों? Why? But this happened. This happened but ये होना था but ऐसा हो गया. But मतलब but this happened. ऐसा होना था पर ऐसा हो गया. So that is called but. So what is the spelling of but? B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. In the villages you see many houses or hut. And what is the spelling of hut? H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. So we have made two new words, but and hut. But and hut. Then next, sixth one, elite. What is the meaning of elite? In the poem you have seen. What is the elite? Is burning. Elite is burning. जलने को elite बोलते हैं. Elite, change the elite and write slight. S-L-I-G-H-T, slight. What is the meaning of slight? Slight मतलब थोड़ा. Slightly. Make slight is do it slightly. थोड़ा सा. Then plight. Plight is another word. Plight is difficult situation. मतलब dangerous situation. This is also a new word. I think you learn this. It is called a difficult situation. So change S-L-I-G-H-T, P-L-I-G-H-T. This is slight and plight. Plight is difficult situation. So I hope you have understood these words, learn the spellings and write these words. Then after this you have complete the puzzle. Puzzle is there. Now we have to read the questions and complete the puzzle. Let's see the puzzle and complete it in your books. Puzzle is given. We have to complete the puzzle. See the puzzle. B1. A person whom you like to be with. You like to be with whom? You like to be always with your friends. So, one is given here, right? F-R-I-E-N-D. The person you like to be with is your friend. Then they give light at night. They give light at night. What gives light at night? Lamps. What gives light at night? Lamps. What gives light at night? Lamps. L-A-M-P-S. Lamps. Then next is to separate something. Is to cut. To separate something is cut. C-U-T. Cut. C-U-T. Cut. Separate something is cut. To separate something is cut. Then next, to meet. To meet is you will have to visit somebody. To visit somebody, so that is meet. V-I-S-I-T. You can see this and then fill the puzzle. Visit. To meet somebody is to visit. Then different. Different, I told you it is varied. Different is varied. Different is varied. So where it is here? V-A-R-I-E-D. Varied. Different is varied. Different is varied. Then next, a road. A road is street. Last one. S-T-R-E-E-T. Street. Street is called a road. Street is the road. So see the puzzle and complete it this way. I hope you understood. Complete it. And I will send you in the groups. If you didn't get it, you complete it from there. Till then, take care. Goodbye and God bless you all. Now you have holidays. You enjoy your holidays and we will continue with the next class after on the